Hello and welcome to Easy Step Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this sopa paraguaya, but it's not a soup, it's like a tortilla. Let's go to check the ingredients list. Okay, so please remember, before we start this recipe, thumbs up to support the channel. And now let's go to start. We will cut the onion into thin slices. We will put a little oil and we will cook this onion for about 10 minutes. We need this onion to be transparent, not golden. While we are going to beat the eggs with salt and pepper, like this. And now the onion is ready. We will put the cornmeal flour in a big bowl with the onion. And we need a big bowl because we are going to put all the ingredients here. Now I will put the milk, a little salt and pepper. It will be very tasty and very easy recipe. If you don't like the pepper, just salt is okay. We will mix very well, and now in the end I will put the eggs. We mix again everything. Now I will put the mozzarella cheese, half of the mozzarella cheese, because the other half I will put on the top with the grated cheese. We mix everything and I will put in a container for the oven with a little oil so it doesn't stick. We put all the mix here inside and we need a preheated oven. 180 degrees preheated. I will put on the top the other mozzarella cheese and the grated cheese, and we will cook for about between 20 and 30 minutes. Until we have something like this. It must be gratin and golden on top, like this. We can check with a knife if it's cooked inside. And now when it's cooled down, we will cut into small squares. That is how you eat this sopa paraguaya, typical from Paraguay. And it's ready to enjoy. Very tasty and easy recipe. Thanks for watching and remember, thumbs up to support the channel. See you next video.